Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of 30 days of JavaScript challenge. Now, as we see, the first question is create hello world function. So what we have to do in this question, we need to create a function such that it returns hello world. Now this new function that we have to create will be inside another function which is called create hello world. So what we are asked here is whenever we are calling create hello world, it should return a new function which returns hello world. Okay. So now for the returning of hello world, we have two ways to create a function, right? For the first approach, what we can use? We can use just function keyword and it will help us to return the string. The other way is arrow function. Now the arrow function is the small or the concise way of returning the answer or the string. Returning string is concise. Now what is happening in this? Basically when we are using the first one or we are using function keyword. Now when create hello world function is created, inside that we have to return a new function that we are creating, right? So this will return function. We don't even need to give a name here, right? Because we need to create a reference in such a way that whenever this create hello world will be called, it will just return hello world. So this is one way, and it is also an easy way because just we need to write the function keyword and return a value which can be occurring in any language that is possible. So the other way is arrow function. How is arrow function declared? We use parenthesis with an arrow and we return the value. If we are using parenthesis here, then we will be using return keyword, or whenever if we are not using this parenthesis, then we can just return the string. What I mean by saying here is if we have create hello world function, then and we are returning an arrow function, so we just need to write arrow function and hello world, and this will return our required value. So like learning or while starting any programming language, the first thing that we print is hello world, and here also we are doing the same thing. So let's move on to the code. So whatever little doubts were there, or so there was some difference in the syntax, will be reflected there. This is the boiler code that they have provided us. Like now what we have to do, they have already created a function for us here. What we have to do basically is we just need to return the string here. So we will just write return hello world. Let's run this code. The sample test cases are passed. Let's submit it. This has been accepted. Now let's see the second approach, right? So I will comment out this code now. First I will copy it and then I will comment it out. Now what I will do, I will remove this function, right? And I will use arrow function to return the value. So I have created this arrow function. Now I just need to return the string itself. So I will just write hello world. I will run it now. Let's submit it. So this is also accepted. So that's it for the first video, guys. Let's meet in the second one. And if this video helped you even a little bit, please let me know and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Also, I will be mentioning the GitHub link for the repository in the description, and the question of the JavaScript 30 days that I was solving today, that is create hello world function. The question link will also be mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching.